Like Brinda Devi gives an evil eye to Tulsi Devi. When Tulsi Devi and Brinda Devi, they meet him at Kusum Sarovar actually. And Krishna says, where's Radharani, Tulsi? Oh, she couldn't come today, she's locked up and this and that. And and then Krishna says, wait a minute, Tulsi, you're the shadow of Radharani, Tulsi Mandri, Raghunath Dasji, Goswamiji. You never go anywhere without Radharani. How can the shadow be separated from the substance? How can the chaya and the vastu go together? So if you're here, she's here. If you're not here, she's not here. If you're here, so she's here. And besides, I smell Radharani's fragrance on your, still lingering on your dopata, which means that you must be just have left Radharani. Oh no, it's not like that. I was in Yavat and I was decorating Radharani and I was spraying perfume and everything. I got on my dopata. You're smelling that. So Tulsi Mandri is playing with the Supreme Personality of Godhead and just dangling him on strings like a little puppet. Lift your right arm up and put your left leg down. And he's like just dangling on the strings of her taunting jokings. And Brinda Devi's listening for a couple minutes. Okay, that's enough. Because I'm Brinda Devi, and I'm in Krishna's party. I'm Krishna Sneha Adik, and I know you're in that other party. Tulsi Mandri, you're in that Radha party. And Dinesh is there also. And Dinesh is also in Krishna's party. He locks her right up in the house. Brinda Devi get out and wander around. But Dinesh is locked up, and she's also Krishna Sneha. So then they both team up and look at Rati Mandri. She looks like this and sees Dinesh and sees Rati. And they, through their eyes, they say, okay, let him off, take him off the chonga. The chonga is a bunch of sharpened bamboo poles he lies somebody on. So let him go. So Tulsi says, oh, Krishna, I was only joking with you. Radharani is waiting for you at Madana Sukada Kunj. She's waiting for you at Madana Sukada Kunj, and Yuteshri Vishaka is there, and all the different mantris are waiting there to serve you. And Krishna, these gopis, they really torture this poor boy.